The future of electric cars is getting smaller, but smarter. Meet the Kia EV2, a compact, futuristic, and budget-friendly electric SUV designed to make EVs more accessible than ever. With a sleek design, innovative features, and a price tag of just £25,000, could this be the game-changer urban drivers have been waiting for? Let's dive into everything you need to know about Kia's smallest ever EV, from its unique design to its high-tech interior and expected performance. Welcome to Curious Corner, where we break down the latest innovations shaping our world. Kia is on a mission to redefine electric mobility, and the EV2 concept is proof of that commitment. Unveiled at Kia's 2025 EV Day in Spain, this tiny but mighty SUV is expected to hit the roads in 2026 as one of the most affordable EVs on the market. Kia's CEO, Ho-Sung Song, calls it a bold step forward for urban mobility, aiming to make electric vehicles truly accessible for everyone. But what makes this car so special? At first glance, the EV2 looks like a tiny urban warrior. It's boxy, compact, and rugged, with sharp lines and bold plastic cladding that give it a tough, off-road inspired look. Kia has ditched the traditional front grille and introduced star map LED lighting, giving the EV2 a futuristic appearance. The vertical taillights are pushed to the sides, and there's a wide, rounded tailgate designed for maximum practicality. Step inside, and you'll find a high-tech, minimalist cabin inspired by Kia's larger EVs. There's a huge panoramic roof, 3 seamlessly integrated screens, and even LED message displays on the windows so you can send messages to pedestrians or other drivers. But here's where it gets really interesting. The EV2's interior is designed for maximum flexibility. It features a sliding front bench seat so you can adjust space for comfort. Fold-up rear seats perfect for making extra room. Removable cushions and portable speakers, yes, you can take them outside for a picnic. Kia calls it picnic in the city, giving urban drivers new ways to use their cars even when they're parked. So, what about performance? While Kia hasn't revealed exact specs, experts believe the EV2 will share technology with the EV3 and EV4. This means we could see a 201 horsepower electric motor, a 58.3 kilowatt-hours battery, up to 300 miles of range on a full charge. However, since the EV2 is designed for city driving, the final production model may come with smaller battery options for a more budget-friendly price. The Kia EV2 is set to go on sale in 2026, with an expected price starting at €30,000 or £25,000. While the concept model features futuristic elements like butterfly doors, the production version will likely have a more traditional design but retain the EV2's boxy, stylish look. With its affordable price, bold design, and smart features, the Kia EV2 could be the perfect electric car for city dwellers. But what do you think? Would you buy a compact EV like this? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Corner for more deep dives into the latest tech and innovations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.